don't know if you can, yeah, I guess you can see the rainbow. There's just pouring rain on the way home, and we got a rainbow right here, right in front of us. That's awesome. So, and it's just coming down seriously hard. I don't know if you can see over here. Yeah, here it comes again. It was really coming down. So, oh, I guess we're passing through the rainbow now. Yeah, if you can see on the, yeah, there you go, that's smart. See on the road, it's starting to pile up the rain and all, so I'm gonna, well, there it is, look at this. And just like that, the rain is gone. Well, there you have it. Rain is gone. And the road's like dry. There you have it. That's the rain. Alright, next.